fucking car.
Okay, Chris, you can stand higher. You don't have to like, I'm umbrella.
Oh god, it's dripping on me. Okay,
Chris,
so
you're dripping.
no,
Fucking
fuck
camera.
off, dude.
Okay, we're stopped. We're done.
You're a goddamn fool. Sorry. That's the nicest way to put it. I like how we just have fucking Alex. You should walk back onto the scene.
Josh, you want me over there too? Just so you can set up a few people?
No, I can get this. We're good. Okay. Yeah, that's about good. So, what'll happen is we have to do a whip pan.
Shut up.
Why? Fine.